Safe Power Renewable Energy Exhibition is being organized by AOJ Media along with in the association with New and Renewable Energy Development Corporation of Andhra Pradesh, which is popularly known as NEDCAP, and FAPSI is also supporting us along with the Solar Energy Society of India. So it will be for the first time in Andhra, in fact in Hyderabad, where more than 50 companies from all over India will be coming here. They will be exhibiting the innovative products and solutions that they have in solar energy. So that obviously gives advantage to the local people here, people who are looking forward to invest in solar energy. Now they don't have to go to Delhi or Mumbai for some big exhibition to meet all the leading companies. All the leading companies are now looking towards Andhra. They want to deal and work with people in Andhra, so they are coming for this exhibition. Here you'll have the companies like Reflex Energy, Chemtrol Solar, Vari Energies, Premier Solar, Surana Ventures, Highquip, Neosol, Pepspinar. In fact, all the leading companies, all the good brands who are working in Andhra market, they all will be here. And that will be a very good advantage for people who are looking to invest in solar captive power plants, industrial rooftop, and also for somebody who is looking for a domestic rooftop solution. Here more than 50 companies will be exhibiting their solutions. So you'll have around more than 50. See, speciality I would say as on today there is no such platform here in Andhra. It was like SolarCon used to happen around 3 years back. After that SolarCon never happened here in Andhra. Over and above that, you also have to see that there are other small exhibitions which happen, but then they are not able to bring in the big players. There may be a small exhibition happening somewhere else which will be around 10-12 stalls, but then ultimately what happens that few of the local players participate there, all the leading companies don't come and take advantage of that. So that is the beauty of this platform, that you will have the bigger companies coming and exhibiting here. So obviously somebody who is going there will be able to network and access and have access to the leading solution, the best solution, the innovative solution into the market.